To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist, that is all. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. If you look at what you have in life, you'll always have more. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Spread love everywhere you go. A champion is defined not by their wins, but by how they can recover when they fall. Happiness is not by chance, but by choice. We must be willing to let go of the life we planned, so as to have the life that is waiting for us. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything.